Hello friends, today we'll start the last topic of metric spaces, which is nothing but connectedness. Connectedness word itself tells us meaning of connectedness. If you take the region in xy plane, then that region we can call it as connected. If I take any 2 points of that region and if we are able to connect that 2 points by a curve or line or union of line segments, and if that polygonal path connecting that 2 points must lies in that region, then we say that that region is connected. Now, in any metric space, we have to talk about connectedness concept. So for that, first we will define concept of separated sets, and for separated sets we will define concept of disconnected set, connected set in metric space. Okay, so we will study separated sets. So let XD be metric space and AB be subsets of X and AB be subsets of X. Then A and B are said to be separated sets. Then A and B are separated sets. If A intersection B closure is equal to A closure intersection B is equal to phi. Then that two sets are called as separated sets. Solution, example, in any metric space XD, phi and phi not equal to A subset of X are separated in X. Because A intersection phi is equal to empty set and A closure intersection phi is also empty set. Okay. Second example, in RU, if I take A is equal to close open interval 0 1, B is equal to open close interval 1 2, then A closure intersection B will become close interval 0 1 intersection open close interval 0 2 is equal to phi, and A intersection B closure is equal to close open interval 0 1 intersection close interval 1 2, which is equal to phi. Implies AB are separated in RU. Third, in RU, if I take A is equal to open close interval 0 1, B equal to close interval 1 2, then A closure intersection B is equal to close interval 0 1 intersection close interval 1 2 is equal to singleton 1 not equal to phi, and therefore A and B are not separated. Therefore AB are not separated in RU. Okay. Now we'll take the result theorem. If A and B are separated sets in metric space XD, separated sets in metric space XD, then A and B are disjoint. A and B are disjoint. Okay. So proof is too simple. Since AB are separated sets in XD, therefore A closure intersection B is equal to A intersection B closure is equal to phi 1. Now A intersection B is contained in A closure intersection B is equal to phi, since A is subset of A closure. Therefore, A intersection B must be subset of A closure intersection B, implies A intersection B is equal to phi, and therefore AB are separated. AB are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Okay. Thus, any two separated sets in metric space XD are disjoint. Converse of above theorem is not true. Means if A and B are disjoint, then they need not be separated. Okay. So note, converse of above theorem is not true. Justification: A is equal to close open interval 0 1, B is equal to open close interval 1 2 are such that A intersection B is equal to phi and A closure B is equal to close interval 1 2. A intersection B is equal to phi and A closure intersection B is equal to singleton 1, not equal to phi. Thus A and B are disjoint, but they are not separated. Okay. Thus AB are disjoint in RU but not separated. In RU but not separated. Okay. But in discrete metric space, any two disjoint sets are separated. Okay. If I treat that A and B as a subsets of discrete metric space RD, then they are separate, because we know that every set is closed, means A closure and B closure are A and B themselves, so that becomes empty set. Okay. So next result, or I can take it as example. Any two disjoint subsets of discrete metric space XD are separated. Okay. Solution: let A and B be disjoint subsets of discrete metric space XD. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to phi 1. Now any subset of discrete metric space is closed implies A closure is equal to A and B closure is equal to B. Therefore, A closure intersection B is equal to A intersection B closure is equal to A intersection B is equal to phi by 1, which implies A and B are separated sets. Thus, any disjoint subsets of discrete metric space XD are separated. Okay. Next theorem. If let XD be metric space, let XD be metric space and CD be separated sets in X. Let A be subset of C and B be subset of D. Then A and B are separated sets. It is too simple, obvious in fact. Since C and D are separated sets in metric space XD, therefore C closure intersection D is equal to C intersection D closure is equal to phi 1. Okay. Now since A is subset of C, B is subset of D, implies A closure is contained in C closure, B closure is contained in D closure. Therefore A closure intersection B is subset of C closure intersection D is equal to phi, and A intersection B closure is contained in A C intersection D closure is equal to phi. Implies A and B are separated sets in metric space XD. Next theorem. Let XD be metric space and AB be subset of X such that let and AB be subsets of X such that distance between A and B is greater than 0. Distance between A and B is greater than 0. Then A and B are separated. Then AB are separated. So proof. Since D of AB is equal to lambda greater than 0 and d of AB is equal to infimum of d of AB where A belongs to A, B belongs to B, implies d of AB is greater equal lambda greater than 0 for every A belongs to A and B belongs to B. And B belongs to B. Is it clear? Therefore, for A belongs to A, therefore, for any A belongs to A, yes, lambda by 2A intersection B is equal to 5. Because this contains set of all those points which are at a distance less than lambda by 2. Okay. Is it clear? It contains set of all those points which are at a distance lambda by 2. And distance from A and any point of B is greater than lambda. Implies A doesn't belongs to B closure for every A belongs to A. And therefore A intersection B closure is equal to 5. Similarly, A closure intersection B is equal to 5. This is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, A and B are separated sets. A and B are separated sets. Converse of this result is not true. Okay. Note, converse of above theorem is not true. Not true. That is, if AB are subsets of metric space XD such that D of AB is equal to 0, then A and B are not separated. Such that is, if AB are separated subsets of metric space XD, then D of AB not strictly greater than 0. Justification. In RU, A is equal to close open interval 1, 2 and B is equal to open close interval 2, 3. are such that a closure intersection B is equal to A intersection B closure. What is this one? Close interval 1 2 intersection open close interval 2 3 is equal to 5, and A intersection B closure is equal to close open interval 1 2 intersection close interval 2 3 is equal to 5, and distance between AB is equal to infimum of D of AB, where A value is in A, B value is in B, is equal to 0 as A tends to 2 and B tends to 2. Okay. So infimum is 0. Infimum is 0. Okay. So distance is 0, but they are separated. That is, AB are separated. So A and B are separated, but distance between them is 0. Distance between them is 0. So if distance is greater than 0, then they are always separated. But if distance between them is 0, then that sets need not be not separated. Okay. So with this discussion, we'll stop this lecture on separated sets here. We'll continue this topic in next lecture. Thanks for listening lecture carefully.